Welcome to today's video, guys. In today's video, we'll be talking about why Kishen Thompson uh, is proving to be a threat to some of the USA coaches. My name is it's underscore Kisaka. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing and remember to share this video and also give it a like. Recently, Kishen Thompson has just been in Hungary and he has run 9.91. Before that, the USA trials and the Jamaica trials gave in good numbers. And Kishen Thompson so far this year has given a good run, and I think he's having the world lead of 9.77. Because of this, there have been a lot of rumors left, right, and center about him, especially his physique. They are saying that it is alleged, and most of these allegations are coming from some of the coaches. When I say coaches, I mean at all the levels, the high school, the national coaches. So the social medias in general, Twitter, Instagram, have been having pictures of him, showing him how he was looking in 2023 and how he is in 2024. In these pictures, one of the alleged coaches has written, Kishen Thompson, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And sometimes you use less than 5 words to make the point. So the way he looks, to some people, they take it as it's like he's taking steroids or performance enhancing drugs. From the look, in 2023, he was a bit tiny, and in 2024, this year, when I'm recording this video, he has really transformed. He's looking very big, and his performance has improved greatly. Last year in 2023, he got a 9.85. I think that was in China, and this year, during the Jamaican trials, he got 9.85 at the semis, 9.84, and then the world lead that's surprised many of 9.77. Talking about his physique, I'll say that if you put in if you work hard for even like a month within your body, you'll see the difference. And on my take, I attribute his body change to a lot of hard work. I think, or I believe, he must be lifting a lot of weights and eating good food. That doesn't come just like that. It takes effort, it takes time. One has to really sacrifice a lot in order to attain that kind of a physique. So, according to me, I believe it is possible, and that cannot just make you as coaches or whichever person that is saying that Kishen Thompson is doping to just base on that and say that he is doping because of the physique. He must be putting a lot of work, and then the coach that he's having is a good coach, Francis. The same coach that he's having is the same coach that is coaching Elaine Thompson, and through the years you have seen how Elaine Thompson, the lady 100-meter journey, how she has been faring, how she has been improving. Just to take you through how Kishen Thompson has been improving, in 2017, he got a time of 11.17. In 2018, he improved to 10.89. That was in Kingston, Jamaica. And then in 2019, 10.59. In 2020, 10.56. In 2022, 10.21. In 2023, 9.85. And recently, 9.77, which has got these USA people to talk a lot, left, right, and center. They are just jealous about Jamaica. I understand the USA has also some good athletes, but truth be told, Jamaica is the powerhouse of sprint. people start run to sprint the short races as early as 5 years. And also the gene, the Jamaican gene, they have a special gene that makes them to produce most of the good athletes in the short races. Talk of Usain Bolt, up to date, no one has been able to break his record, 9.58. No one has been able even to come closer to that. By close, I mean even 9.6. 9.58, my guy. You know, running 100 meters less than 10 seconds is not a joke. Less than 10 seconds is not a joke. And most of these USA coaches have seen that he is a threat. You know, it is said that a good fruit will always attract stones. If you know that you are fruitful, you will always have attacks left, right, and center. It means that you are fruitful. This, in turn, applying to Kishan Thompson. Kishan Thompson is fruitful. He is capable of doing great things. Maybe he's the one to break Usain Bolt's record of 9.58. So the USA coaches don't like it. Don't take it lightly. Personally, I vote for Jamaicans and Africans. If a Jamaican takes it or breaks the record, I'll be more than happy. And if an African break the record, I'll be more than happy too. So the US coaches should not just look at the physique. It is possible. If you do it, if you put anything in your mind and put a lot of effort and work towards it, you will achieve it. It is said that there's nothing that is impossible in this world. You can be able to do anything through God who strengthens us. Anything is possible. Anything is possible, because in the past, some of these world records, people couldn't believe that even one would run 100 meters in less than 10 seconds. But currently, you can see people are going past that. And if you look closely at the people who have been breaking the records, majority of them have been from the US. And if not from the US, from Jamaica. And even if it is in other countries, most of them you'll find that they were initially or originally from Jamaica. A person like Ben Jackson of Canada, he was originally from Jamaica. And there are so many other runners. There's one in Australia, I think, a lady, and so many others. So Jamaica is doing really good, and people are really worried at how Kishan Thompson is showing in the USA trials. The person who has stand out is known as Noah Lyles. And Noah Lyles didn't even attain the time of Kishan Thompson of 9 points. Noah Lyles got 9.83, and Kishan Thompson got ran 100 meters in 9.77. They're really worried. They know that Kishan Thompson, he is a threat, and that's why all these rumors are spreading left, right, and center from the rumor mongers. If he's doping, there are bodies all over, and proper mechanisms have been placed to counter doping. And I understand when you're an athlete, you the food you eat, whatever you drink, your steps, you have to watch closely, because some of these people can stupefy your drink or less your drink or your food or drink to tarnish your name. So he must be watchful. Understand, he is watchful. That kind of physique has not been attained just like that. He has been working hard, and he's here to prove. And not only him, also Blake Seville and the other Jamaican sprinters are really working hard to break Usain Bolt's record. So that is very bad coming from especially coaches trying to tarnish the name of Christian Thompson.